Here's what you'll need. 1/2 yard of Spoonflower's Eco Canvas, or something similar. 1 yard of 5/8 inch wide Velcro. 1 yard of 1/2 inch bias tape in a coordinating color or print. Cutting mat, rotary cutter or scissors, thread, and a sewing machine. We're using our Bernina B350. Begin by cutting a rectangle measuring 12 inches by 30 inches out of your main fabric. Cut 1 strip of Velcro 5 inches in length. Arrange your fabric rectangle with its right side facing you in a portrait layout. Pin one side of the Velcro strip onto the front of the lunch bag, 1.5 inches from the top edge of your fabric rectangle. Carefully stitch onto the bag around all 4 sides of the Velcro strip. Take the other side of the Velcro strip and pin to the front of the lunch bag 1.5 inches from the bottom of the fabric rectangle. Stitch onto the fabric around all 4 sides of the Velcro strip. We will be using French seams to construct our lunch bag. To do this, fold your fabric rectangle in half lengthwise with wrong sides facing. Pin and stitch along the right and left sides. Trim your seam allowance to about 1/8 of an inch and flip the bag wrong side out. Pin the seam allowance on the right and left sides of the bag again and stitch. With wrong sides still facing out, match the bottom of the bag with one of the sides of the seam to create a triangle corner on one side of the bag. Measure 2 inches up from the point of the triangle and mark a line perpendicular to the sides of the bag. Stitch along the line that you marked. And repeat for the other side. Flip your bag right side out, and you should now have a boxed bottom on your lunch bag. Open your bias tape and match the raw edge of the bag opening to the center fold of the bias tape. Fold the bias tape down so that the tape encloses the raw edge and pin all the way around. Trim the bias tape so that the beginning and end of the tape overlap by about 1/2 inch. Stitch the bias tape to the bag along the bottom edge of the bias tape. This lunch bag is back to school ready.